Chapter 7. Care for Teeth. Teeth are essential to us as they help us in chewing the food. Clean and well-shaped teeth look pretty. They also help us to speak clearly. Teeth also give a decent look to our face. Observe old persons who do not have teeth. How are their faces different from yours? How is their speech different? Growth of teeth. A newborn baby has no teeth. When the baby becomes 6 to 7 months old, the teeth begin to appear. Normally, the front teeth appears first. The back teeth grow later. When a child becomes 3 years old, it has a set of 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. The milk teeth start falling off when the child is about 6 years old. By the age of 12, all the milk teeth are replaced by permanent teeth. There are usually 32 permanent teeth. Structure of a tooth. When you see your teeth in a mirror, you find that they are fixed firmly in the upper and lower jaws. Our teeth grow from the gums. A tooth basically comprises 2 parts, the crown and the root. The crown is the part which is seen when we smile or open our mouth. This part is above our gum line. The root that is below the gum line makes up about 2 or thirds of the tooth's total length. The tooth has a white outer covering which is called the enamel. This is the hardest material of the human body. The next layer inside the enamel is called dentina. It forms the main part of the tooth. Pulp is the central part of our tooth. It is soft and contains blood vessels and nerves. The blood vessels provide food to the teeth. Cementum is what covers most of the root of the tooth. It helps to attach the tooth to the bones in the jaw. Types of teeth. The main function of our teeth is to bite and chew our food. There are 4 different types of teeth. They all have different functions. Incisors. The 4 front teeth of each jaw are called incisors. They are chisel-shaped. They are used for cutting and biting food. They are also called cutting teeth. Canines. There are 4 canines in all, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower one. They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are pointed. They help us in tearing the food. They are also called tearing teeth. Premolars. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in each jaw. They are placed next to canines. They are broad and flat teeth. These teeth help us in crushing and cracking food. They are also called cracking teeth. Molars. The molars are the last teeth towards the back of our mouth. There are 12 molars in all, 6 in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger, flatter, and broader teeth. They help us in grinding the food well. They are also called grinding teeth. We can learn teeth names as IC Prime Minister, IC PM, tooth decay. When we eat something, bits of food get stuck between our teeth. Germs in the mouth start feasting on the food particles and begin to grow. A sticky yellowish covering indicates the presence of germs. The germs give out acidic juices to help them digest the food particles stuck in our teeth. These juices harm the enamel of the teeth and it slowly dissolves. This causes a small hole in the teeth called a cavity. This cavity is very painful. When we eat, every time more and more food particles enter the cavity. Then the tooth turns black. A small cavity can become very big if you do not go to a dentist. The decay can even spread to our teeth. Tooth decay causes many problems like holes or cavities in the teeth. Toothache, foul smell from mouth, tooth loss, and stomach disorders. How to prevent tooth decay? We must take care of our teeth as teeth are a very important part of our body. We should follow these precautions to prevent tooth decay. We should avoid eating too of sweets or chocolates. We should brush our teeth every morning and also before going to bed at night. Move to toothbrush upwards and downwards rather than sideways while brushing. After eating, rinse your mouth thoroughly to remove food particles. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner after brushing. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months or sooner if the bristles begin to wear down. For healthy teeth, eat food rich in calcium like milk products, ragi, and bajra. Visit a dentist every 6 months for a teeth examination. If we follow these rules, our teeth will remain healthy and strong. Do you know? Tooth decay is a common disease in the children. Points to remember. Teeth help us to bite and chew food. They give shape to our face too. Milk teeth are temporary. They fall off and are replaced by permanent teeth. Our teeth grow from gums. The crown and root are the two parts of a tooth. Rotting food particles cause tooth decay.